Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your monitor suddenly starts looking blurry, text feels harder to read, or everything on the screen appears less sharp than normal, it can become disturbing, especially when things look perfectly clear before. Sometimes the blur appears after changing display settings, connecting a new cable, or updating the computer unexpectedly. Other times the screen feels slightly fuzzy for no obvious reason at all. The good part is that a blurry monitor screen is often connected to settings, cable issues, or display adjustments that can usually improve without much effort. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a monitor blurry screen problem. Try these. Step 1. Restart the monitor and computer if the blurry screen appeared suddenly. Step 2. Check the cable connected to the monitor and confirm it fits securely. Step 3. Adjust resolution settings linked with the monitor if text looks unclear. Step 4. Review sharpness or picture settings on the monitor menu for better clarity. Step 5. Disconnect and reconnect the monitor if the image still feels blurry. Step 6. Test the monitor again and confirm the screen starts looking sharper normally.